I'm Dr. IPS Oberoi. I'm Chairperson Orthopedics, Sports Injuries and Arthroplasty at Artemis Hospital, Gurgaon. I recommend in an ACL reconstruction the screw called as FastThread screw from Arthrex. It is a peak screw which I commonly use for my arthroscopic ACL reconstruction. In a technique where I use hamstring or a bone patellar tendon bone graft, the peak screw which has got fast threads are very useful in conducting the surgery. It helps me in fixation of the graft very securely. The volume of the screw inside the tunnel is less. The screw dimensions as well as the anatomy is very friendly to the graft and does not cause any abrasion or cutting of the graft. Its pitch and fixation gives a secure stability to the graft, and there is no osteolysis or loosening of the graft around this screw. For ACL reconstruction surgeries, wherever I do a conventional ACL reconstruction, I would use a tightrope button on the femoral side and a fast thread peak screw on the tibial side to give the best results to my patients. I usually recommend this graft option, screw option, to almost all my patients where I undergo a conventional ACL reconstruction surgery.